All right, Sherry, do you have anything for us today before we go?
I just launched the WoW Warrior book that is coming out. It will be the first in a series, but this is the first ever, and it is a 4,000 word chapter. There's a lot of things going on collaboratively with this book. Inside the book, there's some different bonuses and promotional things that go along with that. Also, there's a special caveat, if you will, with this particular book because it's almost like two books in one, because there will actually be a corresponding a few months after the book is out, there will also be a dedicated magazine to the authors of this book, highlighting all of the authors from the book in that. So it will have its own set of promotion, and it's a special edition of the WoW Warrior magazine for the people that are in this book through Action Takers Publishing. So there's some different promotional things that are in that as well. We just had a meeting today on that. We'll have another informational meeting on December 5th, but you can actually watch the recording of that. It's just an hour that kind of tells all the details of it. If you want information on that, I can certainly get that for you.